My name is Jackie if you're new here. Christmas season has started and today I will show you how to make these traditional, simple German Christmas cookies. They are super easy to make. I used to make these every year with my mom since I was a little child. And so veganizing the recipe was something really special to me. These are just the standard traditional ones, I would say. We have many more cookie recipes coming up. I ice them with a vegan royal icing, but if you don't want to get all fancy and decorate them really nicely, you just want to spread a little bit of icing on it, you can also just make a super simple powdered sugar and lemon juice frosting. They are so delicious. I really hope you enjoy this recipe and let me know if you make them. How delicious. We will start by combining all dry ingredients into a mixing bowl. As always, all measurements are in the video description and you can also find a full detailed recipe on my blog. Now we will add vegan butter in small pieces as well as aquafaba. Aquafaba may sound fancy, but it is actually just a brine of canned chickpeas. It will substitute the traditional added eggs. We will also add fresh lemon zest, almond extract and vanilla extract if you're not using vanilla sugar. And here is the aquafaba. A pinch of salt to enhance sweetness, and then we will mix and then knead everything into a shortbread dough. Once everything is combined, form dough into a large ball and then refrigerate covered for at least half an hour. Once the dough is cooled and rested, divide into half. Return one half back to the refrigerator while you roll out the other half. You can roll it out on a clean, lightly floured surface or use parchment paper or plastic wrap like I do here. I personally prefer this method because it eliminates any flour mess and it also helps you to transfer the cutout cookies neatly onto the sheet pan. Once the dough is fully rolled out, I like to put it back in the fridge and chill it for another round while I roll out the other half. Put that one back into the fridge as well, and then we can start cutting out our cookies. Knead excess dough scraps together, roll out and chill briefly before cutting out any other cookie shapes. Repeat until you have no dough remaining. Keeping the dough as cold as possible helps keeping them in shape and makes cutting out cookies so easy. Bake for about 11 to 14 minutes at 180 Celsius. They should be baked golden with lightly browned edges and they should snap when breaking them. Allow the cookies to cool for 10 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Once they are fully cooled, you can decorate them as desired with icing, decorative sprinkles. I personally use a vegan royal icing here, but feel free to get as creative as you'd like. Once the icing is set, your cookies are ready to be enjoyed. They are really so delicious, buttery and sweet, and of course, super festive looking. I mean, check out this beautiful crumb. It's really no surprise to me that this classic Weihnachtsplätzchen recipe has delighted generations of cookie eaters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. I am posting lots and lots of veganized Christmas recipes on my blog, here on YouTube, and also on my Instagram. Anyways, I wish you all a very festive holiday season, and I hope you have a wonderful December. And yeah, see you soon. Bye!